Hey guys, it's your girl Iffy and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this cute look. I know y'all seen the title, so let's get to it. Before I start this video, I just want to thank everyone who subscribed to my channel. I want to thank everyone who is about to subscribe. I want to thank everyone who likes my videos and everyone who comments because y'all, this year was really a good year for my YouTube channel and I really appreciate all of you guys. So let's get right into it. So this is a headband wig from UNice Hair. It is 24 inches and it came in the straight texture. I will put the link to this wig in the description box below. So these are some things that came inside the box: a silk headband, some lashes, and then they gave me mad of the same headbands. I was so confused, but I didn't use them, so whatever. And then they gave me a pearl headband. So as you can see, I'm just sectioning my hair off. I am sectioning off a good amount in the front, but not too much because the half wig was made to go on your entire head. So if it's just going to be on the back half, you want to make sure you leave some space in the back. Well, that's what I think you should do. You don't want your wig just hanging off. But we move. So this flat iron is from Arnell Sierra, and I'm just using it to straighten the part that will be going in a ponytail. And I really love this flat iron because it really like got my roots straight. And as you can see, my hair is pretty straight. And I did the cornrows in the back. And I'm just using some edge control to slay my edges. And I did this side off camera because I really like, this is like one of my first times actually doing my edges for real, because I don't normally do my edges, as I told you guys in a previous video. So, well, I don't do my real edges. I do the edges on my wigs, but my real edges, I don't have to do them because they're in braids. So I just took some Sweetie edge control. I think this is the best edge control, honestly. I used other edge controls and they just turn white, but this edge control doesn't turn white at all, which is beautiful. I love it here. So get you some Sweetie edge control, and on top of that, it smell mad good. Like, she got mad different flavors. Like, who told her to get all these different flavors? I got the watermelon kind. I know for sure the watermelon, strawberry, and pineapple smells really good. So go copy some. So after I finish doing my edges, I just put the hair in a ponytail. I'm not gonna put too much product on my hair because I just straightened it, and I don't really know if I put any other product, if my hair is gonna revert. So I just decided not to do that, and I just put my hair in a big braid. And yeah, so now we're gonna try to attach this bundle to my hair and make a ponytail. So this bundle is actually from my I don't want to say hair company because I do sell hair to my clients, but like, it's not a full out hair company. I just sell hair to my clients that want wigs, and so I'm using that hair for the ponytail. And as you can see, I did horribly bad. Like, I did horribly bad. Like, it was at that moment I knew I fucked up. So I took the ponytail out and I just decided to redo it. As you seen in the previous clip, I had a bobby pin attached to the tracks, and then I put the bobby pin into my actual hair just so that it could stay connected to my hair, and then I just wrapped the bundle around my hair. And I guess the mistake I made was that I made my bun too short, but I didn't want it to be the full length of my hair because I felt like the ponytail would be too long, and I didn't want the ponytail to be long. So I made my bun a little bit longer than before so that it wouldn't have that pointy. I don't know if you guys seen the pointy part of the bun that was sticking out of the ponytail of my actual hair. I didn't want it to look like that again, so I just made my actual hair ponytail a little bit shorter, my bun a little bit shorter, and then I just used the bundle and wrapped it around that. And this time around I did much better, but I wanted to show you guys my failure because I don't want you guys to make the same mistake. So yeah. And then instead of just wrapping the hair around the ponytail, I decided to use some got to be spray because I seen some girls on YouTube doing that. So I'm like, let me just try that, and it works way better. So yeah, make sure you get you some got to be spray. One day I'm gonna perfect this ponytail because I honestly don't know why I don't know how to do ponytails at this point in time. Like, I really don't get it. Come on, Iffy, do better. So now that we got the ponytail out the way, I just decided to put the ponytail up in a bun so that I can focus on the half wig. So let's get into it. So as you can see, the inside of the half wig has a clip at the top, and what I decided to do was cut out the band that was in front of the clip so that I will be able to clip that part to my hair for a more secure hold. But I also didn't want to cut the elastic band completely out because I wanted to use that to make it tighter on my head, if that makes sense. I didn't want the wig to just be flopping around. So I put the clip into my hair at the top, and then I used the elastic band to make it tighter around the circumference of my head. And then I used some bobby pins to further adhere the half wig to my head because y'all, I do not want this wig coming off. Like, I don't want the wig coming off. As you can see, it's on the back half of my head. So it needs as much security as it could possibly get. So now I'm like, let me see how this looks straight. So I ended up taking the silk wrap off, and I really loved it. Like, it looks so cute like this, but I'm just like, nah, I think I want some curls. So that's what I did. I decided to put some curls in my hair so you guys can just watch me curl my hair. I don't really have any specifics on how to curl hair, but if you guys do want a video on that, make sure you comment down below, and I'll make sure to think of some specific things to tell you guys on how to curl hair. If y'all really want a tutorial on how to curl hair, just let your girl know, and I got y'all. But I am going to include some clips of me curling my hair just so you guys get the gist of how I curl my hair. And do you want to know the crazy thing? I truly thought that the quality of the headband wigs would be trash. But when I tell y'all, these bundles on this headband wig feel too fire. Like, I'm just shocked at the quality of this hair. Maybe it's UNice, because UNice hair always good. But I just wouldn't expect a headband wig to have such quality hair attached to it. Like, it's crazy. Big ups to UNice, for real. Is it just me, or does like every girl have a mean face when they do their hair? Like, I feel like it happens to all of us. Like, we just randomly look mean when we're doing our hair. We're too maybe we're too focused on the task at hand to smile. But I always look mad when I'm doing my hair. But trust me, y'all, I'm happy as hell. I'm fleeking my hair. Like, who wouldn't be happy to be fleeking their hair? Let me know. So this is the final look, guys. I'm really feeling this look. I will leave the link to this headband wig in the description box below, so make sure you guys go check that out. I might have a discount code for you guys to use, so also check my description for that as well. And yeah, guys, I just really appreciate you for coming to watch my video. Make sure you like my video, number one. Comment how I did. I always tell you guys to give me a rate and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. You know the deal. See you on the next one. Peace.